Pork belly is one of my absolute favorites. I think it's that cross between that soft, juicy, tender meat and the crispiest crackling. Now it's so easy to achieve. All you need is a lovely scored pork belly, some coarse salt, and a bit of patience. Now when buying your meat, make sure that it's got a nice and even fat to meat ratio, just as beautiful as ours is. So we're going to generously season our pork belly. Now we are using coarse salt to do so, and it's the salt that draws out that excess moisture, making the crispy crackling nice and dry. So this is going to go into the fridge for about an hour. Normally I like to do it overnight just so it dries out even more, like I've done right over here. So as you can see, the salt has drawn out the excess moisture. So all you do is you take a brush and you brush away that excess salt, and then you'll take some paper towel and you'll dab that excess moisture, making sure your skin and your crackling is nice and dry. I'm going to season the meat itself, and I'm keeping it very simple. Salt, a little bit of pepper, and some smoked paprika just for a bit of kick. And then it goes into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, just so it gets nice and golden. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. So it's gone in for 30 minutes. As you can see, the crackling has gone nice and crispy already. So I'm going to keep in the moisture. I'm using some fizzy apple juice, some stock, garlic, and fresh herbs. We're going to add them in, cover with foil, lower the temperature to about 160 and cook it for about 2 hours. Now for that final step, we're going to remove the foil, pop the belly back into the oven, and then we'll turn the oven up to grill, but watch it like a hawk. Oh, this is exactly what we want. Look at that. And I'm going to show you how tender the meat is using a back of a spoon. Oh, look at how juicy and tender that meat is. Gorgeous. And this is essentially what crispy crackling should sound like. Crispy, golden, and delicious. Perfect.